Mackenzie.
Wait, they're coming from this way?
Yeah. That should be probably Will right there.
Will.
You want to wave at him?
Yeah. Wait, that wasn't Will.
That was Tyler.
Hi, Tyler.
I think there's Josh right there.
Yeah, that's Josh. Hi, Josh.
33 trucks from Anderson County.
That's Will. No, that's not Will.
Just wave at everybody, okay?
Okay. Wait, so Will's not there?
I don't know where he's at.
Will might be coming, or he might be in a passenger seat with someone.
This is a support to the medical staff at Methodist Medical Center.
Oh, I've seen that.
33 trucks from around Anderson County and Knoxville.
I've seen people.
I think it's going to be on the news. I think WATE was out front on the turnpike side videotaping.
That was loud. It smells like Chuck.
Yeah, it does.
Game over. Oh no, this is gonna be loud.
Maybe.
Hi, people.
70 ton.
Hi. I can't believe Will wasn't in this. He's the head of Will's Tower. Did they just say, hey, Daddy?
Yeah. That must have been her dad.
So where are they going? Are they going back around this way?
I'm not sure. I see them all parking down there. So we'll go down there here in just a minute.
And I'm
Again,
going
this
to
is
hop
just
on-
support for the medical staff from the local tow trucks.
And I'm just going to hop on the back of Josh's.
I think it's going to be on the news.
Or I'll hop on the back of Tyler's.
Okay.
Because he has the long one like that.
Mm-hmm.
He has the long one like that.
Here come some more of these big trucks.
Doesn't Tyler know who I am?
Maybe.
There they are, man.
I think the security guards are worried over there. They're a little curious as to what's going on. Big old truck. Man, it's huge.
Yeah, they're going down there. Is that the end?
Looks like it. Come on, let's go down here to the next parking lot.
Okay.
Get in the truck.
Okay. I thought we were walking down there.
No, we're gonna drive down there. Let's see what they're doing here in just a
They're
second.
gonna wave at me. We're in a truck. But I think they're leaving because of security.
You think so? The security guards were walking awful fast, like they were a little worried.
I'm just gonna. Okay.
That is a lot. They might be, Mackenzie. It's pretty amazing all them trucks got together, isn't it?
So are we going over there to park or something?
We're just gonna go right over here. It was an ambulance that just took off. You stay right here. Well, they're not all social distancing. They're kind of gathering a little too close. So we're just going to hang out over here for just a minute. You want to say something nice to the healthcare workers that are having to fight this COVID virus? Who are you waving at?
The person in the window.
Oh, did they see you? Did they wave back? Well, how about you thank a nurse or a doctor?
None of them are out here. Thank you. Even though none of them can hear me.
Well, they might watch. There might be nurses and doctors right here watching you.
Should I give them a thumbs up?
Give them a thumbs up and tell them good job.
Good job. Go slow.
It's okay.
Get on your car. Gonna get on.
I think I see the news guy over there. It's probably hot.
No. It's not.
It's not.
No.
April says hello, Mackenzie.
Hello.
April, this girl has talked about coming. That one time I came and tanned at your house a few times before I went to the beach.
Mom.
She talks about it like at least once a year.
Can we go?
All right. Hold on, Mackenzie. Hey, wait on me. Yeah, but I don't want you getting... Look at that whole crowd of people. I don't want you getting near all those people. Oh, look. Over here. Right there.